this view upon you guys, this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to make a fallable tile. So if the player is collide with this, and then we want to wait until about 2 seconds, and then we want to fall the tile, we want to make the tile to be fall. So here, this is just ground, and then the player, and then the tile. So here on the event sheet, so if I want to make the player is collide with the fallable tile, we want to set the fallable tile variables. I'm gonna set fall into false, and then if the player is collide with this tile, we want to set the fall into 2 and then make it fall. So here, if it's collide, I want to wait until about 2 seconds, and then set the fallable tile, toggle boolean to true. So here, and then if the fallable tile boolean is true, so it is fall, we want to make the fallable tile to fall. So I'm gonna set the position, I'm gonna change the X, I'm gonna change the Y position into self.y, so it's Y and then plus about 1, so it will move 1 pixel down every frame. So let's test this. You can see here, it will move 1 pixel every frame. So if you want, you can make a variable for this speed variable, so we can change it later, about 2, and then self y plus self dot speed. You can make number here, but if you want to make your game is more organized, so you can set the speed. So I think speed about 4, and then let's test this, and then 1, 2 seconds, and then it will fall. So that's it. Thank you for watching.